Okay, are y'all ready to see the new off-grid cabin? I don't know if this video will be in sync with other ones, and I will tell you, if you haven't liked and subscribed already, you better, because I've had this cabin about a week and I have 5 reasons why I would not buy another Derksen portable buildings already. So stay tuned, but for right now, let's get her revealed. This is the off-grid property I bought. This is going to be my temporary off-grid cabin until I get time to build what I really want. This is a 12x24 Derksen portable building. I bought it from a dealer, obviously, and it took them right around 3 weeks. Even though I was told 4 to 7 days, it took them about 3 weeks to get it here. So, the property you see right here, this is about how thick it was. I mean, right through here, all the way back. You see I've got this little place cleared out. This is an L-shaped lot. There's 2 lots wide, and then it goes 1 lot up. Fortunately, this flat spot of this is right up here on a lot that I do not own. So I own a lot over here. It comes down this way and then comes this way. And this was about the flattest spot I could find. So it's a little over ½ acre. I get to start over, but at least this time, this is mine. And if you also notice, I had some stuff. I didn't have room in storage. I wasn't going to rent another storage. Most of this is outside stuff anyway. I brought it out here. If you're wondering where the girls, the chickens are, they have gone. This is about 45 minutes from where I did live. And I'm not living out here yet full time. So I really couldn't make that drive every day to come check on them, give them water, give them food. And I know nobody around here that I would trust to do that. And plus I didn't have a trailer to haul the chicken tractor. So, as you can see, I was just left with a decision to sell them. I'll get more. I think I will. I don't know. I go back and forth on that. I've had animals, farm animals, all my life since I was a kid up till now. And as someone said one time, they tie you down. They're almost like kids, probably worse than kids, because you just can't throw your goats and your pigs and your chickens in your car and go take a road trip. So this is still needing to be cleared, and I'll clear it. Right now, this video is into June 2020. We're fortunate. Look at all the big old trees. I love these oak and hickories. Most of these are oak and hickory. I have cut some mulberries off here, some hackberry, but most of these big ones you see are either oak or hickory. So let's take a look at cabin. Ain't much to look at. 4-foot porch. I've been insulating today. Oh, there's me a visitor right there. Old green stinky bug. Here's a Derksen. Kajillion nail holes. But you know, that's for another video. This is it, folks. Like I said, I've been insulating today. I get this done, I'm going to wire it. Some people wire first, then insulate. I prefer it the other way around. About right here at the end of the brush pile is my property. I was going to make my road in through here, and then I got started clearing this and just stacking the brush there, and it piled up before I knew it. It was up about right in here, and the delivery deadline was coming. So I had my teenage daughter and her boyfriend start relocating that pile to the back, and then I just didn't have time to put a culvert or anything in. So what I did was came out here and filled this little ditch in with gravel that had been washed down from the ditch. It's real shallow. Now this, unfortunately, is not mine, and supposedly it's in probate. So it's abandoned, it's rough shape. I've heard 2-3 different stories. One from the guy I bought this land from, other from the neighbor. I am at the end of the road. There's only, on my way in, the nearest neighbor is about a 1/4 mile away. So there's all the wood I've been cutting from the little saplings and trees. So anyway, here's the ditch. I'm going to have to put a culvert in at some point. Right now, this got the building across there and got me across. I can just park out on the road because, like I said, it's end of the road. And that's about it, folks, for right now. As this little off-grid cabin, you know, as I work on it, I plan on moving in this week. Don't know if I have the wall coverings on, but I will have the insulation in. And eventually I will have solar, rain catchment, and composting toilet. That's the plan. Probably have to start out with a generator first with some batteries. I plan on buying the batteries first, so at least I can store the energy I make with a generator. It's not going to take much. As you can see, it's like I say 12 by 24, and 4 of that is the porch, so it's really a 12 by 20. Actually, it's smaller than that. That's one of the things that I'll be talking about on the 5 reasons I would never buy a Derksen portable building again. So y'all have to stay tuned for that. So I appreciate you watching. But right now, this is where we're at. Do plan to skirt this with some vinyl covered hardware cloth, and then I'll go over that with some lattice. This place had a horrible tick problem, and so I've got some 7 ready to use spray, and I've sprayed it down. I mean, we were getting anywhere from 10 to 15 to 8. The most I got was 18 ticks off me one day. And that's using Sawyer's insect repellent or permethrin in it. So I got the 7 a week ago when I was here. Sprayed the place all the way around, under it, all that stuff. And came back a week later, which was yesterday. I got 2 ticks off me. Had about, I don't know, 1/3 of a gallon left. So I went back over to the yard again. I didn't want to just indiscriminately spray it trying to kill everything, but I did want to, when I could walk in my yard without getting covered with ticks. I sure wish I had about 12 guineas that I could just let go right here and be done with it. So anyway, that's the off-grid cabin update. It's moved in. It's getting worked on as I have time from my business I run, which is a home repair business, handyman type business. So y'all stay tuned, and it's just I love this spot. It's so quiet. I know the breeze is blowing. I'm about half a mile from a major lake. I'm surrounded by Corps of Engineers land. So within, walk 100 feet back behind me, I'm on the Corps of Engineers, and it's thousands of acres. You see these big, beautiful trees. I love them. Love them. Now, when all the acorns from the oaks and the hickory start hitting that metal roof, I don't know about it. Just joking. I love it then too. I've had metal roofs in the past, and I love them. Some people don't because of the noise. Hey, I love it. So anyway, thank y'all for watching. Make sure you like and subscribe, because there's going to be a lot of more good stuff come from this little spot right here. I got a lot more work. Still got to decide where I want to put my garden. I was really thinking right in here, but this will probably be my parking area for right now. And I may put a like a carport, build a carport right here, I think. My original plan was to originally have a drive through here, and that goes around, because there's another road up, just 100 feet up here. It goes that way, and it just is washed out. It's just old wagon trail, really. Well, I was going to have it where my road would come down and then come this way, so I'd have a drive around, you know. I don't know yet. I do know I'm getting a good start on winter wood supply. This little thing shouldn't take much to heat. Probably a little buddy would heat it, but I love a good fireplace, or, you know, good fire, be a little wood stove. So anyway, y'all, thank you for watching. Make sure you like and subscribe for the journey, because this is going to be a fun one, I believe. So anyway, Donald for the 1 Acre Homesteader, I'm out.